Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this troubleshooting presentation focused on the DTC B0010-13, which indicates an open or increased resistance in the front passenger's airbag of a 2023 Honda Accord. Understanding this error is crucial as it relates to the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS, which plays a vital role in passenger safety during a collision. The first inflator of the airbag may be at risk of malfunction. This error code suggests that the SRS unit has detected an abnormality in the voltage on the detection line, leading to stored DTC. We will discuss components involved, possible causes for this error, symptoms it may present, and a detailed step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help identify and resolve the issue efficiently. The primary component affected by DTC B0010-13 is the front passenger's airbag, specifically the first inflator. This airbag is located in the dashboard, positioned to deploy upon collision to protect the passenger. The SRS unit, another key component, is typically found underneath the center of the dashboard. It monitors the condition of the airbag and determines any abnormalities based on the detection line voltage. If this voltage deviates from the specified range, the SRS unit will generate and store the error code. Understanding the role and location of these components is crucial, as any diagnostic procedures will heavily involve both the airbag and the SRS unit. The first possible cause for the DTC B0010-13 is an open circuit in the front passenger's airbag. This means there may be a break in the wiring that prevents proper electrical current flow. Secondly, increased resistance in the circuit can obstruct the ideal voltage levels required for normal operation, which could lead to erroneous readings and malfunctions. Lastly, a malfunction in the SRS unit itself may lead to this error. If the SRS unit cannot correctly monitor voltage or functionality, it may inaccurately flag the front passenger's airbag as defective. Accurately diagnosing these causes is essential for resolving the issue and restoring vehicle safety. A primary symptom of the B0010-13 error is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This light indicates a problem within the SRS that requires immediate attention. Additionally, the vehicle may indicate an SRS malfunction, alerting the driver of potential safety concerns. In more severe cases, if the issue is not resolved, the front passenger's airbag may not deploy correctly during a collision, which increases the risk of injury. Understanding these symptoms is vital for identifying when to initiate troubleshooting and remedial actions to repair the airbag system effectively. Begin the troubleshooting process by adhering to all Safety Restraint System (SRS) precautions and procedures. Safety is paramount when dealing with the airbag system. Next, confirm whether the vehicle has been involved in any collisions. If a collision occurred, ensure that all necessary components were correctly replaced with OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts. It's essential that these parts are not only new, but installed according to manufacturer specifications to ensure reliability. This preliminary check is crucial, as improper repairs from previous incidents can lead to ongoing issues with the airbag system. Next, proceed to measure the voltage on the detection line inside the SRS unit. This measurement is critical because a higher than specified voltage indicates an abnormality. Following this, inspect the front passenger's airbag to ensure that it is in proper working condition and properly connected. Look for signs of wear or damage that may indicate malfunction. If any abnormalities are identified during this inspection, they must be documented for further analysis. Understanding these readings and their implications aids in tracking down the root cause of DTC B0010-13. For the third step, utilize the SRS inflator simulator to test the system. First, connect the terminals of the SRS simulator lead J to the SRS inflator simulator, which consists of 2 ohm connectors. Then connect this simulator lead to the front passenger's airbag inflator connector located in the dashboard wire harness. By performing the confirmation procedure after making these connections, you can determine if the DTC still appears. If the conditions for DTC B0010-13 do not exist after this test, the issue likely resides with the front passenger's airbag. Otherwise, it may hint toward other related components. In this step, check the connections of the SRS unit thoroughly, ensuring that they are secure and free from damage. Next, verify the integrity of the wiring that connects the SRS unit to the front passenger's airbag. Inspect for any signs of chafing, disconnection, or corrosion. Lastly, measure the direct current DC resistance of the wiring. If the resistance is greater than specified, it may indicate an open circuit or a wiring fault. This thorough examination of the wiring and connections is necessary for reliable airbag performance. If all previous inspections and tests have ruled out the airbag and wiring, and if any abnormalities were found in the SRS unit during these checks, it may be necessary to replace the SRS unit. Ensure that you use an OEM replacement part to maintain system integrity. After replacement, perform a final system check to confirm the proper functionality of the airbag system. Follow procedures to clear any diagnostic trouble codes from the system to finalize the repair process. Ensuring thorough checks post-replacement is instrumental to guarantee safety. After the repairs are completed, the final verification is critical. Begin by testing the entire SRS system to confirm its functionality. This includes checking the airbag deployment and ensuring all components operate as designed. It's vital to verify that no diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, are present. If any codes are still in the system, further investigation may be warranted. Finally, confirm the airbag warning light is no longer illuminated. This indicates that the system is back to a normal operating state. Thorough verification ensures peace of mind regarding passenger safety. Preventive maintenance is an essential aspect of SRS longevity and functionality. Regular inspections of airbag components and wiring should be part of routine vehicle maintenance. Furthermore, drivers should always be attentive to warning lights on the dashboard. If the airbag warning light remains illuminated, it is imperative to seek professional diagnostic and repair services immediately. Additionally, avoid any substandard or improper repairs that may compromise the airbag system. Correctly resolving issues immediately can significantly enhance vehicle safety. In conclusion, understanding the functions of the supplemental restraint system is critical for diagnosing issues reflected in DTC B0010-13. A systematic approach to troubleshooting not only simplifies the repair process, but also aids in ensuring that all aspects of the airbag system are functioning as intended. Safety should always be the priority when dealing with SRS components, as they directly impact passenger well-being during potential collisions. By following the outlined steps and ensuring thorough inspections and tests, you can successfully resolve issues related to this DTC and maintain vehicle safety effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.